America's manufacturing strength isn't built by giant factories alone. It's powered by hundreds of thousands of small manufacturers, family businesses, machine shops, woodworkers, fabricators, and innovators working together through local supply chains to build products that support communities across the country. For instance, a single table leg depends on domestic sawmills, kiln operators, tool makers, packaging companies, and trucking companies before it can be produced here at Osborne Wood Products. Small manufacturing in the U.S. continues to thrive through specialization, supplemental sourcing, and competitive distribution. We are American manufacturing. We are Osborne Wood Products.